What's going on, AI pros? Michael here. And in this first article, DeepSeek debuts the next gen AI model. So I'm actually going to read this one because I'm curious. I'm not going to go over the takeaways, but DeepSeek updated an experimental AI model Monday in what is called a step towards next generation artificial intelligence. The secretive Chinese startup outlined the DeepSeek V3.1 experience platform, explaining it uses a new technique called DeepSeek's sparse attention, or DSA. According to a post on its Hugging Face page, the latest version marked an intermediate step toward our next generation architect, the Hangzhou-based startup said, also indicating it was working with Chinese chip makers on the model. DeepSeek, whose semi-R1 stunned Silicon Valley with its sophistication this year, is working towards new products to shore up the lead in Chinese AI sector. The latest version builds on the older V3.1 by introducing a mechanism designed to explore and optimize AI training and operation. It's intended to showcase the startup's research into ways to improve efficiency when processing long text sequences, the startup said. Alrighty, on Monday, the leader in the Chinese AI chips announced that its products would support DeepSeek's latest model update. Ooh. Okay, DeepSeek. I actually use DeepSeek for not as much anymore, but because there was no credits. I really like that. So DeepSeek has indicated that the newest versions of its models support FP8 or floating point 8 architecture while it works on supporting BF16. Both are technical terms for the ways in which numbers can be stored on computers for AI and machine learning. FP8 in theory saves memory and speeds up calculations. AI models handle millions of numbers, and using smaller formats like FP8 and BF16 balances speed with accuracy and makes it easier to run big models on limited hardware. Okay, something I did not know. Well, I might be checking out some DeepSeek here. But jumping on to the next article, so Google Flow adds Nano Banana editing and prompt expander. So Google Flow now introduces Nano Banana editing option and prompt expander, fueling and refined image generation process while VO2 phases out. So recent updates to Google Flow, as seen in September's changelog, point to a steady evolution of its creative toolset aimed at both casual users and professionals in the generative content space. The latest highlights include a newly integrated editing feature powered by Google's Nano Banana model. This option appears in the ingredients mode within image generation, giving users a straightforward way to refine images that they've just created, something not previously available in Flow. This directly benefits creators who want a tighter feedback loop from generation to final result, and may encourage more experimentation for those producing visuals for marketing, design, or personal projects. I'm out of breath. Oh my gosh. Alrighty, so you go here. So this would be inside of Google Studios, edit image, create expander. Okay. So another notable addition in the prompt expander, this tool enables users to convert a short instruction into a richer, fully formed prompt, supporting a range of presets, but also allowing custom expansion styles. For example, someone working on a cyberpunk cartoon movie could input a simple scene description and have the expander elaborate it with the right stylics, cues, and details. This should be particularly helpful for filmmakers, animators, and content creators. So meanwhile, the announcement that VO2 is set to be decommissioned signals an upcoming platform. So this is crazy. I remember this was probably in June. I was making like an AI channel using like VO2, and now it's already getting decommissioned. Like the time frames and the upgrade that AI is crazy. Google's product strategy for Flow shows a clear focus on modularity and advanced controls, following a trend of offering more power and flexibility to creators. The integration of image editing and prompts, and what am I doing with my hand, and editing and prompt engineering tools into a single pipeline. Hence Google's, yeah. We love you, Google. All right. Next article is on Microsoft. So Vibe Working, introducing agent mode and Office agent in Microsoft 365 Copilot. Today, we're bringing Vibe Working to Microsoft 365 with agent mode in Office apps and Office agent in Copilot chat. The same way vibe coding has transformed software development, the latest reasoning models in Copilot unlock agentic productivity for Office artifacts. Get started with a simple prompt and then work iteratively. Yeah, we're just going to keep that in there because you guys can see the screen. Steering it as an orchestrates multi-step tasks, deliver high-quality office documents, spreadsheets, and presentations. Let's go agent mode. So Excel is the world's most versatile data model tool, powering everything from household budget to Fortune 500 profits and loss statements. Yet the full power of Excel is available only to expert users. Agent mode changes that. Agent mode delivers AI that can speak Excel natively. It's built on the richness of Excel artifacts and OpenAI's latest reasoning models, democratizing access to expert-level capabilities and making advanced modeling approachable for most everyone. These breakthroughs allow agent mode to not only generate outputs, but also evaluate results, fix issues, and repeat the process until the outcome is verified. It's like you're handing off work to an Excel expert while you steer and guide. If you want to check out the YouTube video of it, here are some agent mode. I don't really use Excel, but I like to keep you guys updated. But I'm a Google guy, big Google guy. But let's go ahead over to Nvidia. Robotics research and development with new open models and simulation libraries. How big is this article? So I'm just going to go over the summary right here. So the open source Newton physics engine, co-developed with Google DeepMind and Disney Research, and now available in Nvidia Isaac Lab, helps researchers and developers create more capable and adaptable robots. The new Nvidia Isaac GROUP open foundation model brings human-like reasoning to robots, allowing them to break down complex instructions and execute tasks using prior knowledge and common sense. The new Nvidia Cosmos World Foundation models enable developers to generate diverse data for accelerating training physical AI models at scale. Now, I'm familiar with AI, but Nvidia, that is next level stuff. So I'm not going to go too much more into depth on this article, but let's go ahead and hop over to Apple, because Apple's foundation models framework unlocks a new app experience powered by Apple Intelligence. I don't know if I've heard of Apple Intelligence. So with the release of iOS 26, iPad OS 26, and Mac OS 26 this month, developers around the world are able to bring even more intelligence experiences right into the apps by tapping into the on-device large language model at the core of Apple Intelligence. The foundation models framework allows developers to create new intelligent features that protect user privacies and are available offline, all while using AI interference that is free of cost. Whether it be generating personalized quizzes to help students better prepare for an exam or delivering insightful summaries of workout metrics, developers have embraced the framework to reimagine what's possible within the apps and help users in new and delightful ways. So here we have a quote from Apple's vice president. We're excited to see developers around the world already bringing privacy-protected intelligence features into their apps. The in-app experience they've been creating are expansive and creative, showing just how much opportunity the foundation models framework opens up. Susan Prescott. New health and fitness experience. Smart Gym offers an elegant and easy way to users to plan and track their workouts. Stoic is a journaling app. See, I need to come up with an app like this. A gratitude app, bunch of fitness apps. I have an iPhone 13, so first off, I need to get a new phone. This is what I do. Not the app, but the tasks. So they just have a bunch of apps. Building the foundation model framework. The foundation model framework is tightly integrated with Swift, making it easy for developers to send requests to the 3 billion parameters on device model. Okay, Apple. But now let's hop over to Meta. Live and motion photos, Meta AI chat themes, video call backgrounds, and more on WhatsApp. I forgot WhatsApp and Facebook are the same thing. We'll look at you can read the takeaways yourself, but I'm actually curious. We're going to hop into this article. Over the past few months, we've added new features to WhatsApp that make chatting and calling more convenient and fun. You can send live and motion photos, get creative with Meta AI and chats and video calls, search group chat names, and more. Oh, that's it. Okay. So live motion photos, new chat themes with Meta AI, new sticker packs, easier group search, document scanning on Android. Ew. New video backgrounds. Actually, Androids, I don't know. I've never had an Android, so I'm not going to speak on it. But that's going to be it for this one, AI Pros. Let me know which article you liked in the comments below. But I will see you guys in the next one. Or girls. And girls. All right, I'm out.